Bo Neal back with another banger. And this is a sad POV because this is the last POV in this car. Y'all already probably seen. No, I'm not even gonna put it in the thumbnail or nothing. But this is the last POV drive with this car, and it's not gonna be a full POV. This is probably the most y'all gonna get. So it'll be the last video with this car. We're on to bigger and better things, you know. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm getting next, if we get it, if we walk away with it. But I'm excited. So I'm gonna cut when we were looking at the car and stuff like that. But yeah, I know I've been gone for probably like 2 weeks. But, you know, I was trying to figure stuff out with the car and the situation and stuff like that. So, yeah. So, YouTube, I don't know if y'all can really hear me, but I'm turning around. Boom. New to me, 2016 535. Same car, just newer, put together. M Sport package ready on it. Everything, you know, got everything that looks perfect on this car. This car is just perfect. Dream spec, got the 19s, got the 275s in the rear, got the staggered setup, the real staggered setup. We got Aiden in the cut. But new to me, we have the old taillights. We're gonna put everything back on. I don't know. I love how it looks right now, stock, but I'm gonna give y'all an in-depth POV drive / in-depth on this vehicle. See, we got the backup camera. Got the new M Sport rim wheel, steering wheel. What's good with me? But black interior, black headliner. Feel me? We got the good in-depth. We're gonna park up somewhere and do an in-depth review after the gym. But shit, 70,000 miles. Got this for a good deal, so I couldn't pass up on it. You feel me? Though I had too many problems. We're gonna miss that car, but same thing. Bigger and better things, but new year, you know. So yeah.
You basic, go for spending all this cash, they hate it. That's too hard, hated on me till I made it this far. 100 bottles.
So chat, this is my new to me 2016 535 I went rear-wheel drive with this one. It's a sport package. It has it's basically fully loaded other than the assistance and every bunch of little small stuff I didn't really need, but what? See, we got the sport steering wheel, got the black interior. Sport model has the black headliner. We got the 19-inch. I forget the name of these rims. I'm gonna put it on the screen. But got the 19-inch, 275s in the rear, 245s in the front. We just washed the car and it's already dirty, but it's whatever. This is LCI, I believe. I had the black one's the pre-LCI. This is the LCI. This is just a quick video to show you guys. I might start posting more. I wanted to post it just to get y'all knowing, because the car traded in the old car. You got this. This is new to the fleet. It's a ding right here. I didn't even realize at the dealer. Damn, I didn't even realize that right there. But yeah, the plans for this one same like the last. Realistically, all I want to do, I'm doing OEM plus. I want lowering springs, and then that's it. I don't want to put a wing on this one. I might change to GTS style taillights since I have them. I'm gonna put a front lip. I want to do the front lip and do the carbon diffuser here instead of that black, but keep it stock. I wanted to do them M style rims. I forget the name of those. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen right now of those, of the car I want to do, what it look like. But yeah, it's my new to me LCI 2016 535. Beautiful, beautiful car. Beautiful car. It has a Dakota something leather. Got the stitching, the white stitching on the seats. Black interior. Can't go wrong. Of course, sunroof. Can't go wrong with that. But it's just a quick video. Of course, I'm gonna bring out more content when I do exhaust work and all that. But for the meantime, I just want to give y'all a little update of what's been going on. I've been gone for 2 weeks. So this is why. So I'm gonna be back with more content. Forgot to mention these have Harman Kardon. You got the surround sound. You got everything. This is damn near fully loaded car. I love it. I had it 2-3 days now. Been nothing but treat me nothing but good. So of course there'll be more content with this vehicle because shit, we got a new car to the channel, and it's getting nice out. So the bike's about to come out. Got this going. So yeah, gonna have a lot of new content on the channel. Yeah. Nah, we sat at Josh's house to park up the cars real quick. He said he could start the car from an app. There's no way.
Oh, because the car's unlocked. Hold on.
Car has to be locked?
Yeah, let me lock it. Is it gonna let me do it? I gotta restart it. Hold on, restart.
He fronting. He fronting.
Hold on.
You get serious. This Jamaican ass stance. Car meets at Josh's place from now on? What the fuck? Nah. Nah, doing that from the phone is crazy.
But the shit is, that's what I'm saying, but...
Oh, it has to be locked though, so no one can take it. That's fine. I'm gonna see if I can do that with my car. I know BMW has an app, but I don't know if I can put my car in it. Let me try. That'd be tough. This car. Love this car. This car is tough.
Fuck, yo, gang. If that was gang, I thought it was about to die. You know the play like, don't forget the bag, bro.
Bro, TP. TP.